Ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, all right, all right.
Here we go.
This good right here? All right. I'm Cody from Custom Offsets Fitment Industries. We're out here at Iola Car Show, slinging wheels, tires, suspension, any accessory you need for your vehicle, and you're watching PAIRADICE TV.
PAIRADICE TV is hoping you're having an outstanding day somewhere with your feet kicked up. You take care of the lemonade. We'll keep you entertained.
So everything's pretty much custom on it. It took me about 4 years to build. I don't have a shop actually. I just work out of a 2-car garage. It doesn't matter how big your shop is. I watch PAIRADICE TV. All right.
It kind of brings back some memories way back when I was a kid, and everybody was driving them, and of course I didn't have the money to do it then.
It's a 1950 Hudson Commodore. It started out life, my brother-in-law dug it out of a barn. It was pretty much a rust bucket, and the mice and rats had won the war of the interior.